Welcome to Thursday's writing lesson, writers. We have focused this week on strategies to teach our readers about our topic. We know that right now we're teaching many different topics and we're trying to inform or give our readers information. I've tried this week to give you simple, easy to use strategies that will help you write longer and stronger. Today's strategy is one of my favorites. It's called Write in Twin Sentences. I like this strategy because it's easy and it's an easy way to write more. Behind me on a green piece of construction paper, you see Write in Twin Sentences. And what that simply means is to write a sentence and then think about the subject and write one more sentence about it. The example behind me says, for gymnastics class, you need a leotard. What are we talking about? A leotard. So start your next sentence with that word. You can buy a leotard at Meijer or Target. Do you see what happened? You write one sentence and teach your reader, and then you choose a word in that first sentence and write another sentence about it. Let's take a look at another example. Writers, I did this in my writing this week. My writing reads, one important cleaning tool is a sponge. Sponges absorb liquids and are soft. So when you write in a twin sentence, you find a word in that first sentence. I chose sponge. And then you start the next sentence with that word and write more. Sponges absorb liquids and are soft. I use this strategy a lot. Look at what I did when I talked about scrub brushes. Another cleaning tool is a scrub brush. Okay, so my next sentence is going to begin with the noun scrub brush. The scrub brush has hard bristles that produce a ton of friction and are great to rub out dirt. Writing in twin sentences means think about the topic of your first sentence and start with that word and write another detail. Think about the topic of your first sentence, write that word again, and write another detail. Now it's your turn. I'm going to show you a sentence. Please get out your whiteboard and a marker, and you're going to write a twin sentence that goes along with it. I'm going to pause the video right now so you have a chance to grab that whiteboard and marker. Here's your sentence. Make sure you find a good leash for walking your dog. What's the topic? You're right, a leash. So right now on your whiteboard, write a sentence about a leash for a dog, and it doesn't even matter if you have a dog. I think you can think of a sentence that piggybacks or is a twin to this one. Your teacher may pause so you can write your sentence very quickly. Friends, here is the sentence that I wrote. It doesn't mean it's right, and it doesn't mean it's better than yours. It just means I used the strategy. So the sentence I wrote was, of course, I started with a leash. You need a good leash because dogs will pull away when you're walking them. Share your sentence with your teacher and then take my invitation today and try to write some twin sentences yourself.